Did you know a single clove of garlic can be a powerful natural fertilizer for your plants? It might sound surprising, but it's true. When planted in the soil, garlic slowly releases sulfur, allicin, and other beneficial compounds that nourish your plants and improve soil health naturally. Unlike synthetic fertilizers that can harm the environment, garlic breaks down gently over time, feeding your garden and acting as a natural pest repellent. Think of it as a tiny underground pharmacy, protecting your plants while helping them thrive. As it decomposes, garlic enriches the soil with antimicrobial properties, creating a healthier foundation for stronger, more resilient growth. So the next time you have extra garlic cloves, don't throw them away. Bury them in your garden and let nature do the rest. Have you ever tried this trick? Drop a comment below and tell me how it worked for you. And of course, like, share, and subscribe for more smart gardening tips.